What would a day spent in harmony with nature look like? Sometimes the perfect day begins before the world is fully awake. There's something magical about starting the day with that sunrise and then a good clay massage, which is nature's own healer. And finally, drifting onto the lake to soak in the beauty and peaceful sounds of water. Join me on a journey to reconnect with nature, unwind, and find tranquility. Good morning from the same hotel as last night. Last night we couldn't see the view from outside, but let me show it to you right now in the morning. Very, very stunning. You can actually see the sunrise, and also at night I believe you should also be able to see the sunset. The view is just spectacular, and also like the room we're in, we only have one view, but there are rooms which you have two sides, so the front and the back, because the hotel itself is just in the middle, or it's surrounded by the lake. So let's have a look at the view. Very stunning. So look at that. Wow. Very beautiful views. And over there, you can actually see the sunrise. Very beautiful views. Look at those views. Yeah, Rwanda is just giving the views, perfect views for everything. Look at that sunrise. That's the perfect sunrise that you need for the morning. There's a castle over there. Hello and welcome. We are currently at the Lake Kivu belt. I don't know if it's visible from this end, but it's just behind us. So we are currently walking down to, I don't know if I should call it the shore, because it's like their beach. So we are going there to get the boat ride, to see the hot springs, as well as to do maybe a massage, a foot scrub, depending on where the body hurts most. It's your preference. Yeah, so let's walk down and go and get either of that, and also do the boat rides.
So Rwanda and Uganda and Kenya and Tanzania will live in volcanic area.
Yes.
So then we have volcano that's still active. Here it is a hot on 65 degrees Celsius. Yeah, and if you want to believe what I'm saying, you can kneel down and then you feel it. So then you know that because it comes from under, it comes with many healing property. It is good for weak muscles, back problem.
So we are in the hot spring. I said 65 degrees. Yeah, so we are going to do the clay massage, and so for the clay massage, or which for the lead massage without clay is 5,000 rwandese franc. With clay it's 7,000. Then legs, hands and shoulders with clay is 10,000. Then we also have the full body experience. Full clay massage is 20,000 rwandese franc. So for now we're just dipping as we wait for the massage with the clay. So you're just supposed to dip your legs without shaking so that your body adjusts to the temperature inside. So those ones are already having their massage done without clay. Then there are others. The rest will do it clay. We are still waiting. Yeah, that's how they do the massage.
I'll be going like a damn
DJ, man you.
We are finally over here at the Nyamnyumba Lake Kivu belt. We had the hot spring massage, just gotten the massage. We did first, the first part was just the little massage with some oil. Then now they do for you the clay. You stay for about 15 minutes to dry up. Then next, you go back there to rinse it off in the final massage. Then end the day and relax with some meals. Before now, the evening we relax after a very good massage.
Done with the massage. Very nice, relaxing. Yeah, ended up being the shoulder, legs and hands, which was very nice. That was 10,000. Very, very refreshing. You definitely need to do it when you're here. And even if possible, do the full massage. Yeah, which is 15,000 franc. And you can also, as always, tip the people who are doing it for you. As you pay now the full price, you can take them any amount that you're comfortable with. So next we're going to do the boat ride as we head over to the meal destination. Yeah. Congo. Apparently it's just 10 minutes from here. There are those boats. So finally at the beach, or Yeah, their beach rather. And we've seen Congo from where we were. Yeah, so just headed for lunch. I'm actually surprised. That is Keitan.
Hello guys.
He also does tours the same one. Actually, he's the one who introduced Kibaria
Like introduced him into the industry.
So he also does his. I've not experienced, but there's someone who has sold me to his.
Yep.
And it's also the same. This one is very enjoyable, so I believe it's also the same.
You're all welcome
Akupate wapi.
to travel. Check us out, Keitan Safaris on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, everywhere. Keitan Safaris. And subscribe to this YouTube channel, man. Subscribe.
And you are there. You will be visible.
But I feel so sleepy after the
massage.
Yes, and
How
the
was it?
clay thingy. It was like an exfoliation sort of experience. It was really good. Once I take lunch, I know I'm going to take a very strong nap. Yes, it's been an awesome experience. I would recommend anyone to take this trip with Kibaria, of course, and subscribe to her channel. Whether I will. What's the name of
Stacey
your
Candy, just search
Stacey
Stacey Candy,
Candy
but it's Olami by Stacey Candy.
on YouTube?
Yes,
And
but
IG?
everywhere Stacey Candy.
Yeah, she's doing an amazing job. She's
Thank
been filming
you.
for us, and I know she's gonna share a link with us.
Yes, I will.
Thank you so much, guys.
So let's go for lunch.